In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. With the rise of artificial intelligence, content creation has taken on a whole new level. AI-powered tools are now driving engagement, reach, views, and subscriptions like never before. Imagine having the ability to create viral content that captivates your audience and keeps them coming back for more. With AI, this is now a reality. By leveraging the power of AI, you can optimize your content for maximum visibility and impact. One of the key factors in creating viral content is using the right keywords. AI can analyze millions of data points to identify the most popular and trending keywords in your niche. By incorporating these keywords into your content, you can increase your chances of going viral and reaching a wider audience. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also help you optimize your content for search engine optimization, SEO. By analyzing search patterns and user behavior, AI can suggest changes to your content that will improve its ranking on search engine results pages. This means more organic traffic and higher visibility for your content. With AI-powered content creation, you can take your social media game to the next level. By creating engaging and shareable content, you can encourage your audience to subscribe, like, and share your videos. This not only increases your reach, but also helps you build a loyal and dedicated following. So, if you're looking to drive engagement, reach, views, and subscriptions on social media, it's time to embrace the power of AI. Start creating content that is optimized for viral keywords and SEO, and watch your audience grow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help us spread the word.